Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients and tools for a Salsa Lizano style sauce. Combine 2 cups water, 1 cup white vinegar, and 1/2 cup molasses in a measuring pitcher. Use 2 medium tomatoes, 1 large onion, 4 cloves garlic, and 6 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Measure 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon mustard powder and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric for color and mild warmth. Chop tomatoes and onion into roughly 1-inch pieces and mince garlic. Keep solids similar in size for each. Heat a medium saucepan and sauté onions and garlic in 2 tablespoons vegetable oil until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes, spices, molasses mix, and simmer for 30 minutes over medium-low heat. Stir occasionally and skim any foam to keep flavors clear. After simmering, cool slightly and transfer to a blender. Blend in short pulses to avoid overheating. Strain solids with a fine mesh sieve to achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. If too thick, whisk in up to 1/4 cup water. Adjust salt, vinegar, or molasses to taste. Once strained, blend until smooth at medium speed for 60 seconds to emulsify and remove lumps. Taste and adjust seasoning carefully. Adjust acidity with up to 1 tablespoon extra vinegar or sweetness with 1 tablespoon molasses, and balance salt with small pinches. For a thinner, more pourable result, whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons water per cup. Package warm into sterile jars, leaving 1/2-inch headspace. Seal, then cool to room temperature. Refrigerate in sterile jars, keeping below 40 degrees F for up to 6 months. Refrigerate after opening and shake before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.